Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So student, the topic which we will discuss today is find the inverse of matrices, and in this topic we will discuss two cases. One will be that we will just discuss the inverse of 2 cross 2 matrix, and then second case will be we will discuss about the finding inverse of 3 cross 3 matrix. So student, first we will go for finding inverse of 2 cross 2 matrix. But before we go forward for our topic, I just want to discuss one important thing, that what is 2 cross 2 means and what is 3 cross 3 means. So student, as you know that the order of any matrix is equal to number of rows multiplied by number of columns. As you know this formula, as we discussed in previous videos about this formula. So what is order of matrix? As you know that order of matrix is equal to number of rows multiplied by number of columns. So if there is a matrix that is which is 2 cross 2 matrix, so what it means, that it means that in this matrix the number of rows which will be on the left side, number of rows, and number of columns will be on the right side. It shows the order of matrix. So here A 2 cross 2 will be written as A22, and this 22 or 2 means that in this matrix there are, the left side means that in this matrix there are 2 number of rows, and the right number shows that in this matrix there are 2 number of columns. So you understand what it means of 2 cross 2 matrix, and what is 3 cross 3 matrix. So student, here what is mean by 3 cross 3 matrix? It means that in this matrix there are 3 number of rows, as left side shows the number of rows, and 3 number of columns, that is on the right it will show the number of columns. So it means that this matrix has 3 number of rows and 3 number of columns. Okay student, so I hope now you understand what is mean by 2 cross 2 and what is mean by 3 cross 3. Now I will go for the first case, that is how we can find the inverse of 2 cross 2 matrix. So here I will write, and here in this example a matrix is given which is equal to 1 minus 1 2 3, and what we have to find here, we have to find A inverse. Okay student, now as you can see that in this matrix, A matrix, the number of rows are 2 and number of columns are also 2, so it is a 2 cross 2 matrix. Okay student, now I will go to solve this example for you. So student, as the matrix is given and we have to find the A inverse. So student, always remember that if it is asked to find the A inverse or inverse of any matrix, there is a specific formula used to find the inverse of a matrix, and the formula used for finding inverse of any matrix is adjoint of A divided by A determinant. So student, in this formula we need two values, one is adjoint of A and second is A determinant. So how we will find adjoint of A and A determinant? First we will solve for A determinant, then we will go for finding adjoint of A. So student, how we will find the A determinant? It's really simple. You have to just write the given matrix 1 2 minus 1 3, and what you will do here, you have to just cross multiply this matrix. So how we will multiply? As you can see, the first number is 1 and here fourth number is 3. So I will write 1 multiplied by 3, and there will always be a negative sign between them. Okay, and here second number is 2 and here third number is minus 1. So I will write 2 multiplied by minus 1. Okay student. So here what we get, 1 multiplied by 3 minus 2 multiplied by minus 1 is equal to minus 2. So here we get 3 plus 2 which is equal to 5. So student, here you can see that we find the A determinant, and A determinant is equal to 5. Now as we have find A determinant, now we will go to find the adjoint of A. So student, how we will find the adjoint of A? For this student, you will write the matrix here. The given matrix is 1 2 minus 1 3. And here I will show you a little trick so you don't have to confuse. You have to write S here and you have to write P here. As you know, there is a rank of SP in police, so you have to just remember that you have to write SP, S here and P here with this number. Now why I just write SP? Because student, here the S means sign changes and P means places interchange. So what this means? Sign change, as you can see, we write sign change with this number 2. So it means that we have to change the sign of this number and also the number which is opposite of this number. That is, we have to change the sign of these two numbers. So what we will get here, as it is plus 2, so it will become minus 2, and the number opposite to this 2 is minus 1. So what I will do, I will just change the sign of this minus 1. So what is minus minus? Minus minus 1 will become plus 1, as minus into minus is plus 1. So what I get here is plus 1. Now what is mean by P? P will be used for places interchange. So as we write P with this number, so we have to just interchange the place of this number with the number opposite to that number. It is a 1 and here it is 3. So what we will do, we will just interchange these two numbers. That is, 3 will be go here and that one will come here. So what it means, that the places of these two numbers will be interchanged. So student, you see, it's really simple. You just have to remember the trick so you don't have to confuse. SP will be the trick, and S is for sign change and P is for places interchange. So here we get the adjoint of A. So student, we get both values, that is adjoint of A and A determinant. So here the formula is A inverse is equal to adjoint of A divided by A determinant. We have to just put the values in this formula. As A inverse is equal to adjoint of A divided by A determinant. So here adjoint of A is this, that is 3 minus 2 plus 1 plus 1, and divide by A determinant. So here A determinant is 5, so I will write here 5. So student, here I will just divide this 5 with all these terms. Okay, so how I will do, as you can see that 3 will be divided by 5, minus 2 will be divided by 5, 1 will be divided by 5 and 1 will be divided by 5. So here I get the answer of A inverse of 2 cross 2 matrix, which is in the form of single matrix. So student, I hope you just understand that how we will find the inverse of 2 cross 2 matrix. Now we will go for finding the inverse of 3 cross 3 matrix. So student, here the example is given and matrix A is given which is equal to 1 minus 2 1 0 1 minus 2 minus 1 2 0. And what we have to find here, we have to find A inverse. Okay, so how we will find A inverse? The process will be different from finding the inverse of 2 cross 2 matrix, but the formula will be same. As you know that the formula which we will use to find inverse of any matrix is adjoint of A divided by A determinant. But student, here the matrix is 3 cross 3 matrix, that is in this matrix number of rows are 3 and also the number of columns are 3. So the process will be little different.